Alrighty, greetings and welcome to HWE 200, Journal 1, Week 3. There are two parts to this journal. Part 1, assess your diet by addressing the points below. Number 1, how does your fat and calorie intake compare to the target levels? My calorie total limit was 2,000 and I ended my day with a 150 calorie intake, which gave me 50 less calories than my total allowable amount. Number 2, what vitamins and minerals fell below the target level? My mineral intake levels were all okay, except for my calcium potassium intake levels. My calcium target was 1,000 milligrams, but my actual intake was only 855 milligrams, which put me 145 milligrams under my target level. My potassium target goal was 5,000, but my actual intake level was only around 3,000, which put me 2,000 milligrams less than I needed. All of my vitamins were on par with my target levels except for 4 of them. Vitamin B12 was 1 milligram short, and vitamin C was 10 milligrams lower than I needed. My vitamin D intake was also 14 milligrams less than I needed, and my choline intake was 165 milligrams short of my goal. Number 3, how does your protein intake compare with the target levels? Surprisingly enough, my protein intake was okay and was actually 47% above the minimum target level. Number 4, explain the importance of consuming the following: vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates, fat and protein, water, and fiber. Vitamins and minerals. According to the textbook on page 130, physical performance is adversely affected by vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Vitamins provide functions that are crucial for normal energy metabolism. Vitamins and minerals also help fight aging, disease, and muscular degeneration. So the importance of consuming carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. According to the textbook on page 175, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are macronutrients and are needed in larger amounts than vitamins and minerals, which are called micronutrients. The macronutrients are also called energy nutrients because they provide energy or calories to the body to regulate the chemical process. So, in other words, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are required to give you energy. The importance of water. According to the textbook on page 188, water performs many functions. It is vital to digestion and metabolism because it acts as a medium for chemical reactions in the body. It carries oxygen and nutrients to the cells through the blood, regulates body temperature through perspiration, and lubricates the joints. It removes waste through sweat and urine, protects a fetus or a baby, and assists in respiration by moistening the lungs to facilitate the intake of oxygen and excretion of carbon dioxide. It is a vital component of the body's tissues and organs, which is the bottom line. Fiber, the importance of fiber. According to the textbook on page 192, the health benefits of eating a high fiber diet include a reduced risk for heart disease, improvement in blood sugar control, prevention and relief of constipation. High fiber diets may also be a key strategy for weight management because fiber delays stomach emptying, which in turn promotes a feeling of fullness and diminishes the appetite. So in other words, eating a high fiber diet is extremely healthy and helpful if you want to shrink your ass size. Part 2 of the journal. Examine the effects of your diet on your health and wellness by addressing the following in your video journal entry. Number 1, I was surprised to learn that my diet was not as poor as I thought it was when I analyzed my vitamin, mineral, and protein intake. Number 2, what effects does your diet have on your health and wellness? Well, if I continue to eat a crappy diet, my weight loss will not be consistent with what I want it to be, and I will develop a lot of health problems in the future. Number 3, does your dietary intake protect you or increase your health risks? Explain. Well, my diet it protects me from some health risks because I eat the majority of the vitamins and mineral doses that I need. However, because I do not get as many vitamin and mineral doses as I need, my health is still at risk. So, in order to remedy this, I need to ensure that I am receiving the minimum vitamin and mineral nutrients that I need. So, in other words, I need to eat more vitamins and minerals in my diet. Lastly, explain 2 ways you can improve your diet. Number 1, vary my meals. In other words, I need to eat a larger variety of foods, a larger variety of meals instead of just sandwiches all the time. I might need to eat some more salads, rice, chicken breasts, burgers, etc. And number 2, take time to plan my meals around my nutritional needs. So in other words, just instead of grabbing whatever is quick and easy, I need to actually plan the meals so that they are healthy. Well, that's all for this time. You all have a wonderful day, and we will see you on next time.